Uh. Uh. Uh.
Hi guys, welcome to my channel, and today we are doing a fall wash and go routine. The first product I'm going in with is the Not Your Mother's Natural Curl Talk shampoo. I love this shampoo because it is clarifying yet still moisturizing. I don't find my hair super stripped after using it. I'm able to do a light finger detangle while using this product, and it really distributes well into my hair. I'm not necessarily particular with my shampoos, but I'm starting to realize that a less stripping shampoo is more my style and is works well for my hair. So I just go through, especially focusing on the crown area, because that is where I develop the most product buildup. And I also go into the middle as well because I don't want to neglect that area of my hair. So I just go and massage that in and just do a little bit of a light finger detangle using these products. I really love this. This line is amazing in my hair. Now I'm going in with these two products next. I'm excited because this is my favorite part of the process, and I start with my rice water treatment. I have a video already on my channel about how I make rice water. I will be doing a rice water update on my channel coming up soon, so stay tuned for that. And I'm going to go in and just massage my edges because that is where I'm working on edge growth. And I'm also going to focus also on the middle of my hair because I have some shorter strands there that I want to grow out and even out with the rest of my hair. So I'm really focusing on using the rice water in those areas. Excuse my face, the rice water smells terrible, as you already know. Then I'm going in with my Aunt Jackie's Fix My Hair Deep Conditioning Mask. I love this stuff. It's thick, it's creamy, has a great smell to it. It's very moisturizing and it absorbs very well into my strands. I really like the way that it makes my hair feel. It feels very soft. It has a lot of slip so that I'm able to do finger detangling using it. And I focus on all of my hair, the ends, my edges, and especially the back of my hair as well. So that's why I split and then add more product towards the back of my hair. But I really like this product and I like the way that my hair feels after I use it. I'm able to detangle with it and I get a great deal of moisture from my hair, and I really feel that it penetrates into my strands the way a deep conditioner really should. So I'm super excited and happy to use that product. It's an OG, so you guys know that I love this product to death. And yeah, that's the process for the wash. Alright guys, I am finished rinsing the deep conditioner out. I did my leave-in in the shower. I applied my leave-in in the shower. I have learned this technique from Kimberly Sherrill, so shout out to you. And it really works really well for my hair. My hair is super moisturized and the hair really absorbs the product better in the shower. And this is what I used as my leave-in. This is the Curls Creme Brulee Whipped Curl Cream. You know I love this stuff. I ride for this stuff. So yes, and now, because what I have been doing lately is continuing to wear my hair more in a big afro state. So I'm not really going to apply a gel to my hair. I'm going to apply this curl activator cream. This gives me a little bit of a hold, but also helps to define my curls. So what I do is I just start in the back in sections. Just go in the back and I start there. like so. And then I go in the front. I try not to add too much because I don't want to weigh the hair down. I want it to be light, airy, and it have a lot of volume to it. And also I wanted to tell you what I have been doing in the showers. When I apply my leave-in, I go in with my Denman brush. I haven't really used my Denman brush ever on my hair, but I started using the Denman brush just to really get in there and get a lot of those final knots and tangles out of my hair, and it just helps me when I go to style, because then I'm not having to do a lot of, you know, detangling in that process. And then I'm going to just add, I add in 4 sections, do the bottom on one side, and then I go in and I do the top on that one side, and I do the same thing on the other. Now I'm trying to not wear my hair with a headband because I feel that it's been causing some breakage around my edges wearing my hair in a headband. So I try and not do that. So the only thing that I will do now is slick my edges. And of course I'm going to use Eco Styler, because that's what really works for my edges. It really holds them down, gives my hair the hold that it needs. So that's why I use this. I can't find anything else that would be better for me to use on my edges that's going to give me an all-day hold like the Eco Styler. So until I do find something, which I would like to, if you have any suggestions, put it in the comments section down below. The edge creams and edge tamers don't really work, so that's why I stick to this, because this is what really works for my hair. But I would love to hear some suggestions of some other things I can try for my edges that are a little bit better than the Eco Styler. And I just go in and just go through some of these sections and finger coil certain sections, pieces, areas that need a little bit of an extra coil to them. And then that's it. I'm going to let this air dry for a little while, and then I'm going to go in and diffuse. So I'll come back to show you the final result. Alright guys, these are my final results. I did go in and add just a little bit of gel, because when I started to see that it was drying a little bit frizzy, a little too frizzy. So I did go in and add a little bit of Eco Styler gel in certain sections and just rake through in a little bit of areas, and then just twist it with my finger, and then I just let it dry. I diffused just a little bit. It's still a little wet, but it is what it is. And my hair is growing. Yes. I'm truly happy. If you want me to do a video on what I've been doing to grow my hair, because I've changed some things from the last video, and if you want to see a video on that. Also, I could do another updated edge video as well about my edges, because I know a couple people have been asking me how my edge growth journey is going. But yeah, I love the way that it looks, the way that it feels. It does have, now that I added the gel, it has a little bit of a cast and hold, which I like, because then I know I'm going to get a lot of days out of it, and it just feels really good, moisturized, and just rehydrated and refreshed. So yeah. What else can I say to you guys? My routine, this is the routine for the winter. So this is the way I'll be wearing my hair. This is how I will be styling my hair. I will be using moisturizing leave-ins, cream, and then a gel just for some extra hold. So I will be using those products, which I always do, but you know, I focus more on the moisture aspect in the wintertime. That's why I include both the moisturizing activating cream and the leave-in. Usually in the summer I'll just do the leave-in and the gel, but I do these two and then I put in my gel in my hair just to get a little extra boost of moisture. And yeah, I'm working on a no headband challenge, and this is just for me because I wear my hair with a headband every single day. And so with me trying to really focus on edge growth, I want to get out of the habit of putting a headband on every day. So I'm trying a no headband challenge. It's going to be difficult, but I gotta do what I gotta do for these edges. So yes. If you have any questions, let me know. I do also want to say that the one thing that I have also changed up in my routine, not only with the products, is my technique. I've started to break my products in sections. You see how I do the two sections? On one side I did the bottom half, then the top. Then I did the bottom half on this side, and then the top. So I work in sections now with my hair, especially since it's getting a little longer, and I need to definitely make sure that all of my hair is coated in all of the products. So I do work in sections. I am using not only a finger detangling method, but I also go in and do a final with a Denman brush, which has really helped as well to really get rid of the tangles at the roots. And yeah, that's what I have been doing. As you saw earlier, when I go to shampoo, I don't necessarily shampoo in sections, but I do always pre-poo before. So that's one thing that you didn't see, was that the night before I pre-poo. Only reason I didn't show you that is because I have a pre-pooing video on my channel. I have shown you how I pre-poo, so I always make sure that I pre-poo with the oil and then go in with my shampoo. And that's my technique. And if you have any other questions, like I said, hit me in the comment section. Click like and subscribe. Become a part of the MVP family. I'll see you guys.